Hey guys, welcome back to another quick, easy, but very in-depth tutorial on how to create a portfolio on Behance. So for anyone who's already in the creative industry or dabbled in that industry in particular, then you might already know a thing or two about Behance. Behance is pretty much the LinkedIn but for creatives and industry professionals. It is one of the largest creative networks for showcasing and discovering creative work. So, of course, you definitely have to have a great portfolio if you want to make yourself stand out on this platform. So, if we direct ourselves to the Behance website, behance.net, as you can see, there is a huge number of creative professionals already showcasing their work on the front page. And of course, you definitely want to be a part of this ecosystem to make yourself known and get yourself out there. So to start things off, obviously you need a Behance account. So if you don't have one already, go ahead and make a Behance account, or you can already use an existing Google, Facebook, or Apple account to create your Behance account using those APIs. Since Behance is also a great platform to find custom portfolios and creative work, it'll ask us to pick certain topics which we might be interested to seeing on our Behance feed. So for the purposes of this video, I'm going to go with graphic design and game design projects which I wish to see in my Behance feed. And as you can see, once we've inputted those details, we can see a huge list of the amazing work that we can find on Behance. Our feed will slowly be tailored to exactly what we want, especially when it comes to graphic design and game design. We can also easily explore other topics like those of photography, illustrations, Lightroom, and 3D art. Now, moving on from our personal Behance feed, if we look on the upper left corner and see the menu options there, we can choose higher in order to see the different accounts that are currently offering their services to others. We can also choose to sort this list of hires, whether they're freelance or full-time. There are a huge list of options to choose from when filtering through all of these great, amazing, talented professionals. As you can see, if we look through the creative fields list, there are so many different opportunities for creatives to flex their talent. For now, let's click on graphic design and see what's out there. We can also dial this list down further by choosing the location we wish to find people from. This is quite important, especially if you wish to create a team within a certain region of the world. Obviously, it makes things a lot easier to coordinate on different projects. As you can see, you also have the option to filter through certain people with the tools and expertise that you're looking for. You can also filter through schools if you wish. On the upper right corner after scrolling up, you can also sort the entire list, whether it's the Behance recommended people, the most followed ones, or the most appreciated accounts. So for example, let's look for the most followed accounts on Behance. Here, one of the most followed ones with the options that we filter through, which is graphic design in France, we have Graphene, which is a design agency based in France. By clicking on their profile, you can already see a list of their work. It's pretty much their portfolio as a design agency. Here, we can see all the graphic design option works they've made, and you can also see the tools that they're very proficient with on the left-hand side. For example, they are professionals with the Adobe suite of programs like Illustrator, Photoshop, and After Effects. And as you can see on the left-hand side, you can also post links on your Behance profile to lead you to a third-party portfolio you wish or your own personal website. You can even link your Instagram account and socials if you are a personal independent freelancer. On their Behance profile, you can also see certain statistics about their profile on Behance. You can see all their project views, the amount of appreciations they've found, and the amount of followers they have as a Behance content creator. And as you can see, other than their exact work, you can also see their inspirational mood boards and their appreciations by clicking on the respective buttons like so. So we just showed you an example of an amazing portfolio on Behance. Our goal is to take certain tips and observations from that fully fledged portfolio and add it to our own. So to start things off, let's start making our portfolio by clicking Share Your Work on the upper right corner. After clicking Share Your Work, as you can see, Behance allows you to choose the kind of work you wish to upload. It can be an image, a text, a photo grid, video and audio, etc. What's interesting is that they even have works where you can show off your NFTs or different 3D prototypes. For now, we already have an image that we wish to upload to our portfolio ready to go. So we're going to select image, and obviously we're going to choose the image we wish to upload to Behance. After the image is uploaded, we definitely want to add tags to this work. This way, it helps get our project out there and gets more eyes on our work. So for this work, I wish to add the tags graphic design, custom artwork, and aesthetic. We also have the option to embed media into this project. Another interesting feature that Behance has for showcasing our work is choosing a project style. By choosing styles on the right-hand side underneath Edit Project, we can change the background color for our work, and we also have the option to change the content spacing in case we want to show off two different works in one design. Once we're happy with the background color and the style that we've chosen for this work, we can even add our own text to really highlight how much we care about our work. For the purposes of this video, we can title this one My Own Graphic Design. So once we're happy with all the details and styles we've chosen, we can click on Continue to move on to the next step of this process. If you need to do something else, don't worry, we can always save this project as a draft and come back to it later to finish it later on. Now, once we're happy with all these details, we can now edit the project title, edit the project tags, specify the tools we use to make this project, and categorize this project for ease of use and easily find it. We can choose the Behance visibility and set it to either private or public. Now don't forget to review all the details that you've inputted, and once you're happy, click on Publish in order to publish your first project. We titled this one My First Portfolio, and you can definitely continue to add more to this project in the future. Now after publishing, you can go back to your profile on Behance and you can see your project and your portfolio listed underneath your work. And congratulations, you made your first portfolio on Behance. As you can see, Behance offers so many tools in order to flex your creative talent. Now, we've reached the end of this video. If you have any other questions or inquiries, feel free to leave them down in a comment below. Like this video if you feel like you did learn something new, and subscribe to this channel because it really does help keep us going. Thanks so much for watching guys, and we'll definitely see you all in the next one. Good luck and take care.